Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. This is Shriyanka presenting the top headlines of the day.
The Orissa government decided to suspend shooting of all films and TV serials till further notice in the wake of the COVID-19 crisis in the state. The order was issued by the Office of the Special Relief Commissioner. India registered 3.11 lakh new COVID-19 cases. This incidentally is lowest rate of infection in the last 25 days. A total of 2,95,041 cases were reported April 21. Orissa, on the other hand, reported 11,732 new COVID-19 infections. 19 fresh fatalities took the toll in the state to 2,331. 23 persons were killed and more than 50 injured as Israel continued to pound the city of Gaza with airstrikes. Israel and Hamas militants have been engaged in a war-like conflict for over a week now. Major tragedy was averted when a huge fire broke out in the coal handling plant of Paradip Port late Saturday night. The fire was brought under control after 2 hours, officials said. They informed valuable equipment including the coal conveyor belt has been completely destroyed in the blaze. Among the 12 persons belonging to Bonda tribe in Malkangiri district, 4 have recovered and 8 are on the way to recovery. Doctors and district administration officials are closely monitoring the 8 persons undergoing treatment. Petrol and diesel prices across India were hiked by 24 and 27 paise respectively Sunday. This is the 9th increase in rates since price revision began May 4 after assembly election results were announced May 2. Congress Rajya Sabha member from Gujarat Rajiv Satav died Sunday, days after recovering from COVID-19. He was suffering from other complications, doctors said, and had been on ventilator support since April 24. Amitabh Bachchan took his second dose of COVID-19 vaccine Sunday at a center in Mumbai. Dusra bhi ho gaya, second one also done. COVID one, not the cricket one, he said in an Instagram post.
That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.